On Saturday, the 30th of April 2022, the KHARANG Sports and Social Welfare Club had organized the first Khasi Hills Challenge 1.0, where mountain bike race and the indigenous KART race were parts of the event. The day started with the mountain bike race that was participated by individuals from across the districts of Meghalaya and from Assam. Speaking on the event, the advisor of the KHARANG Sports and Social Welfare Club, who is also the executive member of the Meghalaya Cycling Association, Banjop Mukim, while speaking to media persons after the event, said that the mountain bike race was organized with a view to allow local cyclists to exhibit their skills and to provide a platform for such local talent to be recognized across the country and the globe. Mukim also informed on the winners of the challenge, wherein East and West Khasi Hills Kevin John Khalid was placed in the first position at a clocked timing of 1 hour 52 minutes, followed by a participant from Maukarwat and East Khasi Hills who were placed in the second and third positions respectively.
Kani Khasi Hills Challenge 1.0 la organized the KHARANG Social Welfare Club, KHARANG Sports Social Welfare Club. But kani jing penlongi kani ka race cycle mentasngi kadai gawai ban island ya ki athlete sungi ki ba represent ya ka state ha ki competitions ba fair kan thup ya ka nationals mountain bike challenge ha kini kisngi ban wan but ka kumjuru ya ki athletes na kini ki than jungi khna man penslori ki khnang ba kenpet ba ka cycling kadai gawai na ki olympic events ki ba ki khna jungi ki don sabha wan ngai ba ki kajing organize jungi kane kan I mean shiboni ki athletes ki badon men ban yakun ya kane ka sports ki ba participate hakane ka race manta ki don palat ar sangun ki shinrang but palat sangut ki kenthai ki shinrang ki bawan participate hangni ki dei na Assam nomor ba kadai ka open challenge te ki don ki bana Assam ki don ba na ki wiki district u champion jangane ka Khasi Hills Challenge 1.0 udai na uba na East and West district batmai na longki ingding but ubar udai na Maukarwat champion na Maukarwat ubalai udai na East Khasi Hills district kini ki taki nongjob akini kisni.
Speaking about the winner of the mountain bike challenge that had taken place at KHARANG village, Banjop Mukim informed that Kevin Khalid had participated in national events, the last being the challenge at Pune. The Shillong Press Club has been sponsoring the Young Cyclists races this year, and in the event held on Saturday, Kevin Khalid championed the 5-lap 26 kilometers race that was clocked at 1 hour 52 minutes despite the challenging terrain, informed Banjop Mukim. The executive member of the Meghalaya Cycling Association felt that the support of various organizations to the cyclists would further encourage them towards better performance in the future.
Kendiak ani thu ipi pang Kevin John Khalid na uba ni na kumwe member na Shillong Press Club ni ya jet ya kikatu kan ni athlete bang ikwa ban support ha tu kusngi te luckily ba krege jingdon bok chungu ha kapor bangile khalai no sep u president jungi u yo ban tam yi slip odon kerteng jong Kevin John Khalid pangasung kuman sikat dai ba hakane kesngiro u Kevin John Khalid ulala un pendap ya ka ha ke kane race hapo ka ar kanta kamu ha ka silap kane race kadai 5.2 kilometers in 5 laps u pendap sikenta san puar minute kata kadai one of the best of his times considering ba kane ka track ka bangidon hangni mata kalong very challenging kalong ka e bha bat ka kham e shu bani ka nationals ka bang la long dangshan hapuni bar kiwi ki track sa Shimla kene ka kham long technical kene phini ba way arngot laingot ki participants na Assam lai kimla ban beat ya kene ka technical ki tires jong ki lapan ki brakes jong ki hap bar kumta terte ka way na ki advantage jong ki Khasi jong ipan mar ki khamsting ki la long use kene environment ba ki lawan practice ka kene ka track ka ladon advantage ki u Kevin John ula represent ya ka jala MEGHALAYA mentala arsin laisian but man ha last nationals ke bolong hapuni udai way na ki top 20 athletes ha kari India Kerman bada kajing I men CM chong ki clubs ki groups bar ki noki individuals ki ba wan shakmat man support ikini ki athletes hakane ka cycling kerman ba kini ki nong le ka jungi ki nong nya cycle jungi hakoi ke sngi ken sa yo ban mi khmat wat ya kari India ha ka Olympics ru tak tak blesibun